Are you looking for your kids to be in a Christ-filled environment, learn new skills, and meet new friends? Well, we have something just for you. Hi, my name is John Winter, Youth Summer Camps Coordinator here at Living Word Lutheran High School, and we're very excited to announce that registration is open for our 2021 Youth Summer Camps. We have a wide range of activities from boys and girls basketball, dance, cross country, football, young artists, a music camp which includes both band and choir, and a T-Wolf Tough summer workout program. Have your kids interact with our excellent teachers, coaches, and directors who help run and organize these camps. New this year, we're offering a multiple camp discount. So if your son or daughter wants to join in lots of fun this summer, we have lots of different camps that they can sign up for, and there's a discount involved. What's really great is if they want to join in our morning or afternoon session, we offer a lunch break in the middle so that they can gear up and get ready to go for that afternoon session. So we'd love to see your son or daughter with us at camp this summer at Living Word. If you'd like more information, visit our website at www.lwlhs.com/camps. Hope to see you this summer.